Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you change privacy setting of story on Facebook. So let's start up the process. Open up your Facebook app. Now here you can see create story tab. Tap on this tab to create your story. Now select any video or photo from your gallery that you want to add your story. After selecting this, tap on gear icon at the left bottom of the screen. Now tap on first option privacy. Now from here you can change privacy of your story. If you want that everyone can see your story, tap on public, friends or custom. You can change your privacy setting from here. Then tap on save option at the right top of the screen. Tap on save. Now your privacy setting has been changed. Then tap on share button at the right bottom of the screen to share the story. If you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials.